we shall see now how NAND gate works as universal building block. So for that, first of all, we shall see the basics of NAND gate. We shall revise the topic. This is the symbol of NAND gate. It has got suppose two inputs, say A and B. Then the output equation of this NAND gate is given by y is equal to A dot B complete bar. This bar or the complement indicates that the output will be inverted with respect to the inputs A and B here. Now we want to convert this NAND gate into its equivalent NOT gate. So for that, what I am doing is simply I am taking one NAND gate here and I short circuit its two input terminals which were previously A and B and consider it as a single input terminal, say C. Now initially when it was just the two input terminals A and B, in that case the output equation was y is equal to A dot B complete bar. Now what we are going to do now is to short circuit these two input terminals and consider it as a single input terminal C. So we can say that A is equal to B is equal to C because these three terminals A, B and C are connected together. So we can replace this value of A and B by C in this equation. So for that, what we are doing is writing the equation again. Y is equal to C dot C complete bar. But according to Boolean algebra, we know that C dot C is equal to C. So we get Y is equal to C bar, which is the equation of NOT gate.